First go to the file and choose open. Select this girl image, click open. Use the quick selection tool to select the baniyan like this. Now press Ctrl J twice to make two duplicate layers of the selection. Hide the top layer, select the second layer, take the rectangle tool, enable the shape option. Now draw the shape like this. Right click on this layer and choose create clipping mask. Right click on this layer and choose convert to smart object. Double click on this layer, go to the file and choose place embedded. Select this design image, click place. Hold the alt button and increase the image size in this manner. Press enter. Go to the file and choose save. Open the main window, go to blend modes and choose linear burn. Right click on this layer and choose blending options. Here adjust the underlying layer option like this. Press OK. Expose the top layer, select the layer, go to blend modes and choose multiply. Decrease the opacity to 50%. Let's see the final result. Now we can replace any texture or design here.